Welcome to Inspired Healing Meditations, intuitively channeled for your highest good. Set your sacred space by lighting a candle, playing your favorite relaxing music, having a journal close by. Trust your inner knowing, trust your imagination, and know that all of this unfolds for your highest good and your highest healing. You are healing the planet and healing yourself. Feel free to leave a comment or a question, and I'm happy to connect more with you about this process. Much love. Enjoy today's meditation. In today's healing meditation, you are guided to connect so deeply with love energy, surrounding yourself with healing energy, visualizing a person in your life who you know needs some healing love or support, as well as a community of individuals who you know could use some healing love energy at this time. Enjoy today's meditation. Let's drop into today's healing meditation. Close your eyes and turn your outer gaze inward. We set the intention of nurturing the most important relationship of our lives, the relationship with our inner selves. We set the intention of becoming a channel of love for the earth. We set the intention of aligning with source energy. We set the intention of releasing anything in the way of us living our highest and fullest potential on this earth at this time. We take a deep breath into our intention. We bring our awareness to our heart space, the connection of earth and God energy. This middle point, this middle ground where we receive divine love energy and we share with the earth. We trust that this meditation unfolds for our highest good and the highest good of all those in our lives. As we inhale, we expand our heart space. And as we exhale, we relax our physical body. We settle into this moment of peace, love, connection, contentment, alignment, deep presence with ourselves. We say thank you for this moment to align, to connect, to breathe, to be. We take a deep breath into our hearts, and as we exhale, we rest our bodies. We take a deep breath with the earth. We breathe with the earth, giving and receiving love energy. We feel our feet firmly planted on the ground, belonging here on earth to shine our divine light, belonging here on earth to make this a better world. We honor this beautiful life path that we are on. The highs and lows, the ups and downs, the twists and turns, the trials and pleasures of this earthly life. We say thank you for it all. And we know that with each breath, with each moment, we are moving and to closer alignment with our divine selves. We say thank you for this moment to breathe, because we are not only healing ourselves, we are healing our planet, one breath at a time. We bring our awareness to God energy. We visualize the heart of the sun. And the heart of the sun lives within our own heart. We visualize the heart of the sun living within us. We are one. As we inhale, the rays grow brighter and stronger. As we exhale, we find more contentment. We take several deep breaths into this beautiful golden heart energy within ourselves. We bring to mind somebody we know who may be suffering in this moment. We bring to mind somebody we know who could use some love energy. In our mind's eye, we see this person standing close to us. And as we exhale, we allow this golden love energy to flow through us, through our hearts, toward this person. We see this love energy wrapping them up, surrounding them, filling them, soothing them. We see them breathing. And as they exhale, we see their physical bodies relax even more. We see their minds settle, their emotions settle. We can expand our reach to include a community of people on this earth. Bring to mind a community of people on this earth who you wish to surround in love energy. Allow this love energy to flow from source through your heart. Flowing through you is a channel of divine love toward this community, surrounding this community and all of its inhabitants. We say thank you to this community for receiving this love. We come back to our heart space, breathing with our own hearts. As we inhale, we surround ourselves in a bubble of love, a cushion, a cocoon. With our intention, we know that we are powerful. By setting an intention, breathing, trusting, opening, flowing, we are powerful, energetically powerful to make change, to influence ourselves and others, to create a space of healing. We know that in each moment we are guided. We are guided to grow in awareness of ourselves and what we need to live our very best lives. And you can stay here, or you can open your eyes, bring a smile to your face, and move toward your journal. Set your timer for at least 8 minutes to give yourself a chance to free write, continuing to move this love energy through you to express what needs to be released. Trust this process and enjoy this time with yourself. Much love.